Hi class, so as you know, you are going to be creating a visual summary for the book The Great Gatsby. So we're using the web application Easily. When you get to the page, this is the home page. So for this project, we're just going to start fresh. We're not going to use an already made template, so we'll just come over here and click this on the left. Okay, it'll take you to this page, which we're just going to clear up at the top and then press clear again because these are basically just instructions, which I'm going over now. This themes we're going to completely ignore right now because that's just the different templates that you could use. And as you know, we're starting fresh, clean slate, so we're going to ignore that themes today. What we're going to do is we're going to first start off by choosing a background. So you'll come up here, click background, and you choose the one that you want, and all you do is just click it and drag it down onto the slate so that you'll see that it appears there. Now we want to have a title. So what we're going to do is come up and click text, and I'll choose title and just click and drag onto the page. In order to type, you just double click and you can type in there. So I'm just going to put creating a visual summary. Now you can change the font of this, you can change the color, you just click back into it. Color, I'm going to make this yellow. Over here would be font, which I'm going to leave it the same, and then you can choose alignment as well. And you'll see that you can bold, underline, italics, all of that too. So now I actually want to center this on the page, which you'll see this line pops up to show you that it is centered. So I'm going to use that tool. It's a great tool to have. Now, I want to enter some steps. In y'all's case, it'll be events. And so I don't want to just throw the text on the page. I'm going to throw it into a bubble. So I'll go to shapes, and you can scroll through until you choose the shape that you want. I'm just going to use this bubble right here. And again, you just drag and drop on the page. You can adjust the size to however big you want. I'm going to make it a little bigger like this. And again, I'll bring text and drag it into the box. This time I'm going to choose body so that it's a little bit smaller. And this time I'm just going to say step 1, background / title / steps. Okay, and then we'll change the color again. And I'll actually make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and then I'm gonna add an arrow in between pointing so that we know that it's going to the next step. And this is the same way. You can double click and you can change the color of this. So I'll make this red. And now I want my next step to be the exact same size. So in order to do that, what I will do is press clone. So I know that it's the same size, and all I have to do is click in and move it to where I want to be on the page now. And then we'll just add text the exact same way. And I'm just going to say for this one, step 2, play, because that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to just play with it until you get it to where you want it to be, because it's not going to look perfect at first. So you want to just play with this until you like the way that it looks. So I want to add some pictures to make it a little more colorful. So if you come up here and you see objects, then it's going to come up with different categories, and there's pictures in each of these categories. So I'm doing something educational. We're in school and I'm showing you guys how to use this. So I'll click education, and I'm just going to add a little teacher. So that's me talking to you guys. And then let's see, let's go back to objects. I'm going to add this flower or sun or whatever. And so you'll see that it's black in the picture, but this is the same thing, guys. You can change the color. So I'm going to make it green. It'll be a flower. And so, guys, obviously yours will look much better than this. I just wanted to give you kind of an idea of how to use this tool and get a basic understanding. But you're going to have more bubbles on the page, you're going to have more pictures, but this just kind of gives you an idea of what exactly you need to do. So good luck. I'm excited to see all of your projects.